Alright guys, today we're doing full brakes job, front and back, for a 2007 F150 two-wheel drive. So it doesn't have the 4x4, so if you see here there's no axle, but there's an axle spindle here right in the middle of that, which is if it's 4x4 or all-wheel, like four-wheel drive, that nut is very small. It's 13 millimeter. This one 36 millimeter. So we started by taking the wheel off. We're gonna just take the caliper off, the bracket, and take this nut off, which is with the impact 36 millimeter. And it's very important, before you start this job, go get another nut, because this nut is clearly says on it, do not reuse. It's one-time use. Once you take it off, you have to change it. All right, let's have at it. All right, the caliper will be 213 millimeters. The bracket will be 218 millimeters. So let's just get that done. All right, as you can see, the new rotor actually comes with the spindle and the studs. So technically everything is new. It's good. And usually they come with grease on them so they don't rust. Make sure you clean that grease. Perfect. Now we're gonna put the bracket back. All right, apparently we did not retract the caliper, the two pistons, sorry, back enough. So what we're gonna do, so it doesn't actually, because we were trying to press one at a time, the other one was pushing out. So we just use the old pad and just we're gonna press both of them at the same time this way. That's perfect. That's more than enough. All right, like I mentioned before, these big nuts do not reuse. So that's a new one. So the old ones will be trash. And guess what, guys? The torque for this, 296 foot-pound. Then this cap, it goes around it, and there's a pinhole there. Just prime that in there. Alright, it's not gonna go anywhere. Alright, that's good. We're done for this side. That's the passenger side. The driver side would be the same way. Now we're gonna show you the rear brakes. Alright. Alright, rear brakes. So easy. We took the wheel off. We're gonna compress the piston. There's two 10 millimeters here. There's no brackets, so you don't have to take any brackets. Once you take this out, take the pads out, rotors out, put the new rotors. What I'm gonna look at, I wanna see the shoes inside. So that's what I'm gonna show you, the shoes. Alright, it's rusted. It's not a good thickness, but it's rusted, so that's why it's just a light sanding. And we'll get the new rotor and see if we wanted to make it a little bit more tight. Okay, the shoes, it was a little bit loose on the rotors from the inside, so we're gonna actually we're gonna make it a little bit tighter by adjusting that pin. All right, now we're gonna grease the bins. You know, you can actually take them out completely, put some grease and put them back in there. All right, that will exclude the job. Put the caliper back in place, the two new pads. We adjusted the emergency brakes behind the rotor, and that will be the end of the job, and the other side will be the same steps. If you find this video helpful, please like, thumb up, subscribe, and we're glad that we can help you guys. Thank you.